Hello, I'm Sabrina Winters and I'm an estate planning attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I want to specifically address motor vehicles. I get the question a lot. I don't know what to do with it. Do I retitle it now? Do I leave it through my will or my trust? What I want to cover today is the type of ownerships that can be reflected in the title of a vehicle. So of course you can own it by yourself, and then you can also own it with somebody else. When you own it by yourself, you have to remember whether you have a trust or a will, it will dictate what you should and should not do with your next steps. You can certainly fund your trust, meaning you can have your trust own your vehicle. You have to do two things. One, make sure you understand what the ramifications of that is. But number two, you need to make sure that your insurance company will continue to insure an entity, because that's what a trust is. Never do a transfer of your vehicle to your trust without first contacting your insurance company and your attorney. If you own it with somebody else, for example, you are married and you own it with your spouse. If that's the case, my suggestion would be to consider owning it with rights of survivorship. What does that do? It makes it very easy on the first passing. It automatically is going to be owned by the survivor of the spouses. Then the will or the trust is going to dictate what happens to that vehicle after the surviving of the spouses dies. So you want to make sure to check the title, know how it's owned, understand what happens when you pass, understand the ownership in conjunction with whether you have a will or a trust, and always, always, always remember you have to check with your insurance company and your attorney to make sure that you're taking the right steps. I'm Sabrina Winters, estate planning attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you don't have an estate plan in place, make sure to visit our website at ncestateplanninginfo.com. Click the red button that says schedule a call and get yourself some time with me. Thank you so much.